In this video, I'm going to show you how to check if cell contains specific checks in Excel, adding the ISNUMBER function. So this should be a quick and easy process video. All you have to do is to follow these instructions step by step. So if we actually wanted to find out if the cells fetched this checks through here, which is check cells, which is TX, all you have to do is to type in equal if, and let's insert the search function followed by open brackets in inverted comma. Let's enter TX. Or just go ahead, copy all of the checks right here. All you have to do is to change the column that you want to use, then hit enter. And after that, just select this function right here and drag it on all the columns to work on them, as you can see. Now, only the columns with TX have yes, and the others that doesn't have no. Let's add another function, for example, DS. Then let's go ahead, copy this location just to make it look better. Paste it here. Then let's go ahead, drag the function. And as you can see here, it says no because it has DS and not TX, which is TXS. Now this was how to check if cells contain specific text and adding the ISNUMBER function. As always, thank you for watching.